Oh, fuck off! You get out of it! Sorry, man. Hello? Hey, bro, how you going? Hello? Bro, I can't hear you. Sorry, bro. Look, just give me 2 seconds.
Come on,
bro. Just give me.
man.
Sorry, bro. There's no reception in here. I'll be back. I'm not going to be that long. Okay? See you in a second. Hello? Hello? I can't hear you, man. Hello? Hello? Bro, I can't hear you. No, I can't fucking hear you, bro. I don't even know where the hell I am. There's just cow shit everywhere. There's a tree in front of me and there's cows staring at me. Actually, I don't even know how far I've come away from the house. Bro, I really cannot hear you right now. Man, look, I still can't hear you. Actually, hey bro, do you have any reception by any chance? Yeah, can you hear me now? What about now? Can you hear me? Hello?
Who are you?
Come on, bro. It wasn't that long ago. It's me, Rulan. Remember? Look, we're playing the game. Then I have to go find reception.
It's been like a whole month. Why didn't you just use the house phone?